Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into Novo Nordisk, the Danish pharma giant behind Ozempic and Wegovy. Can its stock soar to $1,000? We'll break down its strengths, weaknesses, financials, and future outlook in just 6 minutes. Let's get started. Novo Nordisk's stock closed at about $92 in 2024. Hitting $1,000 would mean a $4.5 trillion market cap, bigger than Apple. While the company leads in diabetes and obesity drugs, this seems ambitious by 2030 due to competition and market limits. By 2040 or 2050, it's more plausible if they expand their blockbuster drugs like Ozempic or enter new markets. But risks like patent expirations loom large. Novo's strengths? It's a global leader in diabetes and obesity treatments with 2024 sales of $43 billion, up 25%. Its R&D is top-notch, spending 16.6% of sales. But weaknesses include heavy reliance on Ozempic and Wegovy, supply shortages, and fierce competition from Eli Lilly. A recent 28% stock drop after lowered 2025 forecasts shows volatility. Novo's profit margins are stellar: 84.7% gross, 44.2% operating, and 34.8% net in 2024, beating peers like Eli Lilly's 20 to 25% net margin. However, margins dipped slightly in 2024 due to supply issues. Debt isn't a major concern, but negative free cash flow of $2.2 billion in 2024, driven by $7 billion in capital spending, raises eyebrows. Still, their $22 billion EBITDA suggests they can handle obligations. Looking ahead, Novo's investing heavily in production capacity for 2030, with $7 billion spent in 2024. By 2040, they could enter new fields like cardiovascular drugs, but risks like U.S. price regulations, counterfeit drugs, and job cuts, 9,000 planned, could hurt. Rising global obesity fuels growth, but competition from Eli Lilly's Mounjaro is a threat. Novo's a dividend star, paying $1.70 per share in 2024, up 21% from 2023, with a 50% payout ratio. Since 2020, the stock's up 191%. Crushing the S&P 500's 80% and Europe's Stoxx 600. Short-term, expect moderate returns due to 2025's 8 to 14% sales growth forecast. Long-term, new drugs could drive upside, but patent cliffs are a risk. So, can Novo hit $1,000? It's a stretch short-term but possible long-term with innovation and global demand. Its strong margins and dividends make it a solid pick, but competition and regulations are hurdles. What do you think? Drop your thoughts below, like, and subscribe for more stock deep dives.